Hello, good morning. Introduce myself. I am Pratikasyan Madhusankar. I am 30 years old. I am from Sri Lanka. I am married. I don't have children. There are 5 family members my family. I education is up to O level examination. My wife work into Omega Line Sri Lanka. Personality I have working as a warehouse assistant in John Gill's Food Products PLC Sri Lanka. Other experience 6 year paint product and aluminium product salesman Sri Lanka. Thank you.